It is very complex to show to people how driver assistance systems work, and that's why we need to do an expert workshop to figure out how we train people on safe use of driver assistance systems.
I'm really interested in understanding how users interact with in-vehicle systems. What does the HMI look like? What are we seeing on the dashboard, and how are people reacting to that?
Of the lanes and to see how the car.
We will try to implement all the knowledge that we had today in our daily work and our daily trainings, and to figure out that drivers are using the ADAS system the right way, in a safe way, and that they're using the way they're meant to use for.